Welcome to the Easy channel, and let's start for today. The following 3 videos shows what can happen if you don't pay attention to the other cars in traffic.
Oh my god. You f***ing idiot.
Always make a good assessment before your turn. Look where you're going. Next 3 videos shows you what would happen if you don't respect traffic. Adjust your speed wherever you are. Racing on the highway put you and others at risk. Always look in the review mirror multiple times. You must always know your destination. Follow the signs.
A great deal of difference, but her fussy, simpering demeanour had given place to a hard fury that made her broad, happy face look oddly sinister.
Always look in the review mirror multiple times. Always pay attention to the road ahead and keep your distance between the cars.
Wow.
You know, you can call the cops, but as long as
Oh my god. AJ! Oh god, sorry, I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
Oh my